how to get a receipt on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get a receipt on Southwest Airlines. So normally, whenever you book a flight on Southwest Airlines, you should get a receipt automatically in your email. But if peradventure you could not get a receipt, you can do this easily. All right. The first step, of course, is to log in into your account. After typing out southwest.com, move to the right side, click on login, enter in your username, enter in your password, and then once you're done, click on log in. All right. So ensure you click on login until you are logged in. And then once you're logged in, the next step is to move to the right side of the screen and click on my account. You can see it next to point and then the logout option. So after clicking on my account, you would be brought to my accounts page. On this page, you can see my account. You can see by the right side options like trips, payments, profiles. So just go ahead and click on trips. So after clicking on trips, you can see the upcoming trips. You can see upcoming trips, and then by the right side, you can see the option. You can see a box asking you to enter in your first name, your last name, the confirmation number, and then flights lookup, and then the flights will be searched out. So once the flight is searched out, you'll be taken to the flights page. So on this page, you'll see options like change, cancel, or resend receipt. So just click on the resend receipt, and the receipt will be sent to the email address on your file, just like that. All right, and then you can now check your Gmail or your inbox to check to get the receipt and make use of it. So this is how you can get a receipt on Southwest Airlines. Just navigate through to your trips, and the rest is a piece of cake. I hope this tutorial has helped you. So thanks for watching.